Hey guys, it's Jessa here with another quick Etsy tip. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a little bit of market research on your competitors, which is pretty cool, right? So you obviously need to keep an eye on competing products and things which are trending and competitors in your sort of niche which are making a lot of sales, so you can replicate that kind of success. You never want to copy someone, but you want to definitely keep your finger on the pulse of what is selling and what is not. So I'm going to teach you how to do this in a really quick way. So I'm going to search for, let's have a look for some baby shower invites and see what is trending. So I'm searching baby shower printable invite. I'm going to see what's coming up. And you can see this one here is our top seller because they've got so many reviews. So I'm going to click on that one. So you can see this store is going very, very well. Now, if I want to see sort of what this store is selling a lot of, I can actually go down to their reviews by clicking these stars. And you can see these are the things which are selling. So you can see they're selling a lot of greenery invitations, baby shower invitations. This store is doing an excellent job. Their product thumbnails are so beautiful and everything they're doing is really, really working. So this is a really great way to sort of gauge what is currently trending and think of some trends, sort of spark some ideas for your own store. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was really helpful. This one is part of a series on really quick tips to improve your Etsy store. I'll include a link to the playlist just here. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel because I bring out new videos every single week on how to improve and grow your online business. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.